Hello boys and girls, welcome to the DankJet cockpit. Put your tray tables in the upright and folded position. On the launch pad here, middle of the screen on the left hand there, the rolling bar is airspeed. Below that, the little man with the G is ground speed, or GPS speed, which you'll see where it goes a bit sideways later on. This is the first time this aircraft's flying with a crossfire in it, and so just trimming it out here. You can really notice the latency difference between the crossfire and the Aurora 9 it was previously on. I had a few micro fail safes the last time up, so now it's on a crossfire and we've got all the nanny safety turned off in the ESC, which has its upsides and its downsides. So we're about to turn around to the first speed run here. Pedal to the middle, down the strip, past the Doppler. All the Doppler runs, that's 300 km an hour ground speed there. Doppler runs are all in the high 290, so 297 plus or minus 16, around that sort of speed. Keep it on the GPS speed there as I go around. This is roughly a 12 G turn, big spot S. Lining up that Doppler camera again. And look at our ground speed there, 100 km an hour. And now we're doing 370 km an hour, 400 km an hour, 511 km an hour. Eat your heart out, Rupert. Beat that. It's obviously GPS has big flaws when it comes to measuring speed. If you didn't have all the comparison data there, like the airspeed and the Doppler speed, within reason you wouldn't know how inaccurate it is. Right here is when the motor popped at 114 amps. So after this, it's a lead sled. So dead stick landing here with a big 6L in the front of it, which comes in slightly hot. You get that with the big jobs. One landing. Two landings. Perfect three-pointer. Beautiful.